Hello, welcome to this Java series. My name is Vigo and I'm so excited to teach one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Why should you become a Java developer? Simple. You have the option to pursue a career in Android app development, web development, and desktop app development. Java also runs on about 3 billion devices, is popular for object-oriented programming, multi-threading, and platform independence, which means that you only write the code once and run everywhere. Pretty cool, right? Though I have to stress that you can never get used to programming without practice. I can only do so much and the rest lies in your fingertips. By the end of this course, you'll be able to write code from as simple as variables to as complex as object-oriented programming. Hope you enjoy and thanks for watching.